World Bank Land Conference back in May in Washington DC, because it was a great honor for us to represent Asia to share our land administration success stories to, I think, more than 1,400 participants coming from 81 countries. And we received positive feedback coming from both the World Bank and many other participating countries, affirming that the impact of our effort is real. We want to appreciate the World Bank, especially on your support to accelerate our agrarian reform program, especially on land registration. Significant, 8.8 million parcels, surpassing the initial target of 7 million parcels.